Okay. Now, if you've seen my videos, you've probably seen this. This is a Markel NeoGlow or FanGlo HeetAire heater. I'd say this is probably from about the 70s, and the reason I'm bringing this out again is because I somewhat found another one. This one that I found, and I had mentioned in the other video that this has the old like Art Deco styling to it, and if you remember, this had the big huge cage over the front of it that I don't have on there right now because I just have the mesh screen that was on it. But I found this on eBay. Look familiar? I'm not sure of the date from this. This one is not labeled as a Markel. This is an automatic FanGlo HeetAire with the same little fan logo as the Markel has. Now this one's 1650 watts. The Markel is 1500 watts. And this is only a single heat setting. And one other thing that I've noticed is if you take a look at the elements in there, it's kind of hard to see because the camera's focusing on, there we go, that the front element is the larger element versus this one, the front element is the smaller element. But let's fire it up here, see how it works. Just turn it on, and then the thermostat. And as with the newer one, it takes a while to get heated up. You can see the back element starting to glow a little bit. The front element doesn't glow very much on this one, but it does put out heat. Sounds like the fan probably needs a little bit of oil, but this is a model L198T. And there we can see that the front element's starting to glow a little bit. What I like about the newer one, though, is you can switch it on to low and use it as only a radiant heater if you want. This one's just straight 1650, and that's it. Now we can see the rear elements glowing pretty good there. And that's it. Now this one says, well, I think I already mentioned that this one says it's LaSalle products. Now that the other, I've looked them up, and they're listed as Markel LaSalle, but nowhere on the heater does it mention Markel. So I'm just assuming it's one in the same company. Because Markel, I have seen old heaters, probably from, I don't know, 30s or 40s, that have this style heating element and this sort of setup, but they're just radiant heaters. They don't have a fan in them. But there we go. Automatic LaSalle FanGlo HeetAire.